Mario!
Welcome back to the episode of this Outlast Whistleblower series. I'm your host, Soul. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into this, but before we do, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to see more great Whistleblower content like this. Honestly, I don't think it's gonna be lasting too long because we're coming to a close here. Gluskin's dead, and Traeger we found in the lobby where we killed him last time. So yeah, that's that. Alright, I guess we'll just jump right into this. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Oh god. Oh. That doesn't sound good. God. I'm in for some trouble, aren't I? Oh god. Document and battery. Okay. Document beyond hope. Dear sirs, the groundwork has been laid to ensure an uneventful egress for Rudolph Wernicke from structural and financial systems at Mount Massive. Blah 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 blah. Respectfully, Helen Granette, Murkoff Legal Mitigation Department. Okay then. Okay. Well, there they are. Can't let them find me, if they might shoot me. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. What the fuck is that? Oh god. Locked. Damn. Okay, let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. I don't want to. I really don't want to, because I'm afraid of what's gonna come up next. Nice. Looks like my leg's better. I can run again. It's the TV that makes the scary noises. Oh, just a dial tone phone. I was actually wondering if Piggly might be nearby. I guess not. This is it, guys! This is the final escape! We are going to make it! Oh my god! Oh my god, freedom!
Mr. Park!
Uh-oh.
How the fuck are you still alive? Make a deal? You help me? I'll help you.
You know.
I'm stuck like a pig.
Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Just nope, no, no, nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. That's barred off. Nope, 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 nope. I am not helping that bastard. There's a barred. What the fuck? Why are they barred off? I guess I have no choice. Whatever. You better not, like, backstab me or stab back me. You know what I mean.
Please?
Sure, buddy. Oh, God. Oh, it's a knife! God damn it! Look out! He's got a knife! Shoot him!
No! No one!
Oh, God, help me, Billy! Thank you, Billy! Oh! It's raining assholes. Great. Ew. Thank you, Billy. You saved me. Oh my god, Billy saved me. I thought he was gonna kill me too. He saved me. Thank you, Billy. Okay. Now it's time to get the fuck out of this crazy place. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I can't take one of these armored trucks. It'd be so much easier. But let's keep going. No looking back, but I'm doing it anyway. Okay, keep going. Finally. Almost there. It's a few more feet. Oh, it's this guy's reporter's car. Sorry, dude, I'm gonna screw you by taking your car. You're dead anyway. Okay, let's go. Where's the keys? Oh, there. Uh-oh. What the hell? Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap, oh, crap, oh, crap. Oh, shit. Back up, bitch! Back up! Put it in drive! Turn. Yes! Woo! We made it out, I think. We're alive? Maybe? Are we?
You press that button.
Guys?
There's no going back, Mr. Park. There's enough hard evidence in that video file to make a world of shit for our friends at Murkoff.
Murkoff Wallrider
Got out of Mount
Project.
Massive alive, and we've done everything in our power to cover your tracks. But our enemies are twitching and malicious corporate paranoics with resources you're too moral to imagine. You won't be the only target. Anyone you care about, your wife, your child, there'll be nothing to Murkoff but ways to hurt you. I need you to understand the bridge you're crossing here. You will do irrevocable damage to the company. You might even get close to something like justice. But once you click upload, your life is over.
But
Everyone you love is fucked.
But
it's the right thing to do.
But
Is hurting Murkoff worth that much to you?
But my wife and my kids and what the fuck? I don't want to. No. I don't want to. Ah, damn it. Bye, everybody. I'm dead. Great. That was Outlast Whistleblower. Honestly, that was probably scarier than the first. I was really surprised about how many new elements they brought in. 2 new characters, Gluskin and Mr. Meat, or Buzzkill. Never really was sure about naming him, but that was Outlast Whistleblower. Hope you guys like this. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing next. Stay tuned for an update, and I will let you guys know, alright? Peace out. Soul out.
Mario!